This is Interlock, Mouse's foam mounting system for your bike. Incredibly easy to use, super secure, and best of all, super protective. Not a scratch.
This is the Mouse Interlock phone mount for your bike, motorbike, and so much more. So easy to use, we managed to attach it from a 160-foot bungee jump. So securely connected, it stayed on, even when world champion mountain biker Greg Minnaar was bombing it down Table Mountain. And a case so protective, Danny McCaskill catapulted it 30 feet in the air.
No bother.
Whilst being completely flat and slim for fast MagSafe charging, unlike bulkier competitors. So how does it work? An array of magnets guide the case onto the mount, allowing for quick and accurate alignment, and is secured by mechanical teeth. You can attach your phone easily to navigate in both portrait and landscape, then swap for MagSafe accessories when you reach your destination. We have mounts that allow you to attach this to basically anything, so you can use it however you choose. Our case comes in black or completely clear, both aligned with AeroShock for extreme impact protection. And our Clarity case is engineered with an anti-yellowing and scratch-resistant coating, meaning your case stays crystal clear. We asked members of the public what they thought against competitors and sent it to every tech reviewer we could for honest feedback. Interlock came out on top every time.
We'll be blunt, it's the quad lock killer.
This one just felt the most secure.
Incredibly easy to use, extremely secure, slim and MagSafe compatible, mouse-style protection.
Thanks for watching. We do extreme product testing to show you what our products can withstand.
We have pushed it too far, guys!
That doesn't make your devices indestructible though, so if you want to see behind the scenes where we push our product testing too far
Sorry, we just dropped the phone, we're not calling for emergency.
and accidentally break devices
Do you reckon Apple Care will accept that?
and get in some unusual situations,
I think we actually hit that.
then go to our YouTube channel and subscribe.